Allahu 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 Allah Allahu 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 Allah Allahu Allahu Allah.
If our hearts are pure, we will never be full, no boredom, reading the verses of our Lord. And I really don't like a day when I don't see the mushaf of the Quran. Slipping of the tongue is more dangerous than slipping of the feet. The grave is the entrance to the afterlife as well as the exit to the world. The pleasures and torments there are no greater than those in the hereafter. You need an active leader more than a leader who often spit words. Indeed, Allah created creatures with true rights, so do not speak except for the truth. Greet your death with the good deeds you can afford. Do not be negligent towards Allah because Allah is never negligent towards you. Enough advice of the wise men. Remember, those who are always with Allah cannot be afraid. On the other hand, the person who leaves Allah, to whom will he hope? If your heart is clean, then you will never feel full, bored, from reading the Quran. It is enough for you that people who are jealous of you feel depressed in your happy moments. We should keep boundaries, keep promises, be willing with what we have, and be patient with what we have lost. No one is able to take care of the problems of Muslims, except for people who have integrity, wisdom, are mature, and are experienced. Do business with Allah SWT, surely you will get profit. Worrying about the world is darkness for the heart, while worrying about the afterlife is light for the heart. The highest degree of faith is that you always feel you are in the presence of Allah. When the Muslims are scattered, their faith will be torn apart and they will lose the strength of unity and oneness among them. Among sinners, the worst is he who takes his time to discuss the faults of others. The three things that I love in this world are feeding the hungry, clothing the naked, and reading the Quran. When a person's tongue becomes calm and kind, then his heart becomes pious and clean. The grave is the entrance to the afterlife as well as the exit to the world. The pleasures and torments there are no greater than those in the hereafter. No one hides a secret in his heart, unless Allah will show it on a look on his face or through the words that come out of his tongue. You need an active leader more than a leader who often spit words. O servants of Allah, be careful. Help your leaders, advise them and don't mistreat them. Make a goal for life, then use all your strength to achieve it, you will definitely succeed. The silence of a silent person is more dangerous than the treatment of other people's attacks. Avoid liquor, because it is the key to crime. Among sinners, the worst is he who takes his time to discuss the faults of others. If your heart is clean, then you will never feel full, bored, from reading the Al-Quran. Allah loves people who want to leave the world, angels love people who want to leave their sins, and Muslims love people who are not greedy.